Guys, look at that. The Titanic. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh
Gusto ko
yeah.
ng picture to pero...
We should have bought a bathing suit.
Bathing suit? Why bathing suit?
Just
Yung
like-
parking nila. Sige, drive mo muna. Kaya lang, yung entrance nito hanggang ano lang. Ay, sundan mo yung lalaki na yun. Ayun, saan siya pumasok? Yung lalaki, ayun, parking.
Car park though. Car park entrance. Ito na yan, 150. Welcome to Titanic Belfast. Car park closes tonight at... Hindi nakasulat.